Hey, what's up, coin hunters, and welcome to a very first £5 coin unboxing. So here we have the 2020 Year of the Rat £5 coin. Now I did pay for this myself, wasn't sent to me or anything like that. It was paid with my own money. So as you can see, we got the rat. It looks like it's in with some flowers. Here you have in Chinese, I'm guessing it says Year of the Rat. In English, Year of the Rat, and 2020, as 2020 will be the Year of the Rat. Then if we turn the coin over, there you can see £5, Elizabeth II, DG, Reg, Fid, Death, £5. So yeah, I think this is a really nice coin. Really nice coin. I think they're also going to produce a silver 1 ounce one, which I'm thinking of getting as well. But I'm not sure if they're going to do that, but they probably will. It's probably out already. But yeah, it's really nice. I like the detailing on the rat's fur. Doesn't look to be any scratches or dings on the actual coin. So I've got these new folders, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to test to see if I can slide. After I've taken it out of this, can I slide the entire plastic bit? Oh, that's cool. So I was expecting it to be like a big square, but it's actually a little circle. So yeah, so there we go. Nice, nice clear shot there of the coin. Wonder what he's looking at. Maybe a cat is sneaking up on him. And there, if we take the protective film off, look at that. Look at the shine on that coin. So yeah, I'm going to pop this out, and I'm going to have a quick look, and then I'm going to put it back in because I want to see the actual natural shine of the coin. There we go, without damaging this too much. So it's got a good weight to it. There is taking it out, there is a little, like a fingerprinty bit just above the rat's head. That wasn't me, I don't think. So I'm just going to give that a wipe with the towel, just gently. There we go. And then I'm going to put it back in its plastic. Come on, focus now. There we go. But yeah, that's really nice. Love the detailing. It's a nice thick coin as well. It is about the same size as a silver ounce. And I'm going to see, will that fit in there? Right, I'm going to trim the sides so they're straight. That's why I got these little scissors out. I want to see, because it would just add an added little bit of protection. So this is going to be the page. Hopefully they bring out every year, and each year we're going to add a new £5 coin to this page. So will it fit? I've never tried a £5 coin in here. No, it's not fitting with the case. We need to go a little bit closer. Might have to go all the way up to the edge. There we go. Now we can just see if I can fit £5 coin. I do have bigger ones of these, but there's only 12 on a page. This is going to fit. There we go. So it's tight. It's very tight. I'm going to have to tuck that in after. And there we go. Squish it down a bit. First, look how tiny it looks. So let's just pop the thingy into here. There we go. Let's just make it a bit neater on the back just by pushing that in. Actually, it's not going to. But yeah, I think I'm just going to have to take it out of that plastic. It's not going to fit with the plastic. It was worth a try. Right, let's try that again. Take 2. Will it fit properly without the plastic? And it fits lovely without the plastic. There we go. So there's our first £5 coin for this channel in its new home. Now it's going in the commemorative book for now. So let's flip over. Have taken the 10 pences out of this book so you don't get any spoilers. I did also do a experiment with the 50p's, and they fit lovely. I just had to cut around. They fit lovely with the protective bits, so that's what I'm going to be doing from now on. There's our £2 coin, still incomplete. Right, so I have got another white page. I'll just pop in there, and then we will put our rat in the back, and it's the highest value, and that is our first £5 coin to go into our collection. So really nice. What do you think of it, guys? Do you like the coin? Do you not like the coin? I think it's really, really nice, and if this is for things to come for 2020, then I'm looking forward to it. So guys, thank you very, very much for taking the time to watch this video. I do appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one. So take care, guys, and happy coin hunting. Goodbye.